This category of software is going to overtake how people make decisions. And I'm not so egotistical to believe everyone in the future will use Outlier. But think about it this way. It wasn't that long ago, 10, 15 years, that if you want to drive somewhere, you had paper maps. And that paper map would tell you where you were. You try to find yourself, you try to find a route. You get lost because maybe the map had mistakes, or maybe there was traffic or construction. But it was literally the best we had for hundreds of years were these paper maps that we used to get around. And over time, we added more and more information, and they got denser and denser and harder to read, but they were the best we had. And all of a sudden, almost overnight, we had GPS on our phones. And you just told your phone where you were going, and it knew where you were, it knew where there was traffic, it knew where there was construction, and you focused on driving. And all of a sudden, nobody got lost anymore. And we all got where we were going. We knew when we were going to arrive. And that kind of transformation for navigation, for transportation, is what we're going to see in data-driven decision-making in companies. Because the power, the dashboards that we're using, and some companies have 3 dozen, 4 dozen, 5 dozen dashboards. Those are like the paper maps. They were the best we had, so we kept stuffing more information into them. This kind of approach of automatically looking through your data to find insights and bringing them to you proactively is like that GPS navigation. So it will touch every business. And by the way, this isn't just my opinion anymore. It was my opinion 6 years ago. Now it's everybody's opinion, because you look at how transformational it is. So in 10 years, every business will use something like what we do in this automated business analysis category. And that's exciting. I think it's really exciting to imagine how that will transform decision-making in business, where all of a sudden, all this data isn't a burden anymore. All of a sudden now it's empowering you. It's like giving decision makers an Iron Man suit, and all of a sudden you can do so much more. And what will people do with that? How much farther can it drive business? It'll be really exciting.